Hello. If you've ever struggled with cooking chicken breast because it comes out tough and dry every time, today I'm sharing with you a few tips in this quick and easy recipe that will help you achieve that extremely tender and moist chicken breast. So stay with me, please. Also, I celebrate 9,000 subscribers today. Thank you all very much. I celebrate you today. And if you're new here, please do consider subscribing, leave a like or a comment on my recipes. Check out my channel for more videos, and yeah, just join the family. So we are working with two chicken breasts here. I've already washed them and patted them dry. Now we are going to do the first step that is important in keeping this chicken breast soft. We're going to cut this into pieces that are equally thick so that as we cook this chicken breast, it does not dry out. So you'll see that the one end is thinner, the other end is thicker. And if you're going to cook this whole thing as it is, the thin end will most likely dry out before the thick end cooks. So I'm going to cut off the thin end, and then for the thicker part, I'm going to slice through it so that I have three pieces of equal thickness. And when I cook this, they're going to cook uniformly and much quickly. So just go ahead and slice through the thicker part and make it into two pieces. Try to keep it as 50-50 as possible, and then set those aside. Now we are going to place all the chicken pieces on a large bowl, and then start by drizzling olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Olive oil is good for flavor and will also keep your chicken breast very moist. So just rub the olive oil in, and then now we are going to add the seasonings. For my seasonings, I do have paprika, black pepper, Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, adobo seasoning, which is optional. You could leave it out. And I do have some salt. About a teaspoon of each, but you could reduce stuff according to your liking. You could also switch these ingredients out with the ones that you love to season your chicken with. At the end of the day, what you're looking for is tasty chicken that is well seasoned. Mix everything nicely and then sprinkle the seasonings onto the chicken. You could start with a little bit, like half of the seasoning. Just decide on how it looks and then you can add more. But just make sure your chicken is, some people like more seasoning, some people like very lightly seasoned chicken. So very flexible here. When everything is nicely coated like so, you could marinate your chicken in the fridge, or you could go ahead and cook it right away. I cooked mine right away. So again, another tip, you do not want to use too much oil as if you are deep frying this. Just a tablespoon of oil on there, vegetable oil or olive oil. When the pan is hot enough, you're going to add the chicken. You want to cook this chicken for just 3 minutes maximum on each side. That is the most important tip. Do not overcook the chicken breast because that's what dries it out. It loses all the moisture and it dries out. So cook this to on 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side, and it should be done. However, the sizes of the chicken breast might differ. If it's too thick, you want to let it cook for longer, maybe 4 minutes. Of course, there's a temperature that you should look for. If you're using a thermometer, it should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit on the inner, thickermost part. But I don't do that with this because I can just tell when it's done. So when your chicken is done on both sides, go ahead and remove it from the pan, and then serve it the way you like. It's really as simple as that. So the tips are on seasoning, on cooking it the right amount of time, and also on the right amount of heat. You want to do like medium high heat, but not extremely high heat. When the chicken is ready, go ahead and slice it. And I'm telling you, you will have very tender chicken breast. And since it's like the healthiest part of the chicken, it's lean, no fat, and it's packed with protein, it's really important that you enjoy chicken breast. A lot of people hate it because they think it's too dry or tough, but when you cook it right, it tastes absolutely amazing. I hope you can see how juicy and tender it is here. Enjoy, guys, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.